China's new billion-dollar longest road shocks American scientists. China, having transformed into a superpower, remains surprisingly underestimated by many. Its impressive advancement across all industries is undeniable, and this can be attributed to the hard work and exceptional talents of its people. Among their many skills, construction stands out as a major talent in China. In today's video, we will delve into the realm of China's remarkable megaprojects, including the world's fastest railway and the construction of the longest Chinese bridges beneath the sea. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Behold the most scenic expressway in China. In this nation, roads are considered a vital element for bolstering the state and thus receive significant attention. The construction progress reaches an impressive 30,000 kilometers of multi-lane highways annually, incorporating cutting-edge technology. By utilizing concrete slabs as the base and overlaying them with asphalt, these roads become fully operational within a remarkable time frame of just 30 to 4 years. Reducing the travel time of passengers or cargo by just 1% allows you to increase the country's GDP growth by 0.25%. Is it a lot or a little in conditions when some of the world's stagnating economies are now fighting for fractions of a percentage? This makes them and many others quickly turn their eyes to the need for the development of high-speed modes of transport and the development of an appropriate high-quality high-speed road infrastructure. The Yaxi Expressway in China is renowned as a super cool structure. It winds its way amidst tall mountains and powerful ridges, ascending approximately 7.5 meters above sea level for every kilometer. Dubbed the high-speed staircase to the sky, the highway, officially known as Yi Expressway, required over $4 billion in investment and 5 years of construction. This spectacular road has become a popular tourist attraction due to its route through the scenic landscape of China's provinces. Despite the region's extreme mountainous terrain and seismic activity, innovative thinking was employed by the engineers. They cleverly used tunnels and viaducts covering half of the road's length to overcome the challenges posed by the area's natural conditions. SkyRoad's chief engineer Pang List said, "Constructing modern roads is very challenging from a technology perspective because we have to keep pace with the development of the auto industry. And there are many factors in the design of road surfaces and layouts. In modern luxury cars like the Jaguar XD, passenger expectations are high. These cars are frequently chauffeur-driven, and roads need to be designed to match this smooth ride and comfort engineered into luxury vehicles. We incorporated a huge number of innovative technologies, materials, and features to deliver this, including the world's longest continuous slope of 51 kilometers with an incline of 3% and the world's first double spiral tunnel. One of the biggest challenges in the construction of the Sky Road was its location in a geologically unsettled region prone to earthquakes. This not only impacted construction, but also meant the design must be strong enough to withstand such potential natural disasters. There were often many landslides, making construction very difficult. And in terms of design, it takes a lot of innovation to create an expressway, to operate stably in an earthquake-prone region. The Sky Roads have the journey time between Chengdu and Li Ancient and opened up a region of China known for its tea production, as well as pottery, flowers, silk, spicy cuisine, and wild pandas. SkyRoad's chief engineer Pang List said, "Constructing modern roads is very challenging from a technology perspective because we have to keep pace with the development of the auto industry. And there are many factors in the design of road surfaces and layouts. In modern luxury cars like the Jaguar XD, passenger expectations are high. These cars are frequently chauffeur-driven, and roads need to be designed to match this smooth ride and comfort engineered into luxury vehicles. We incorporated a huge number of innovative technologies, materials, and features to deliver this, including the world's longest continuous slope of 51 kilometers with an incline of 3% and the world's first double spiral tunnel. One of the biggest challenges in the construction of the Sky Road was its location in a geologically unsettled region prone to earthquakes. This not only impacted construction, but also meant the design must be strong enough to withstand such potential natural disasters. There were often many landslides, making construction very difficult. And in terms of design, it takes a lot of innovation to create an expressway, to operate stably in an earthquake-prone region. The sky roads have the journey time between Chengdu and Li Ancient and opened up a region of China known for its tea production, as well as pottery, flowers, silk, spicy cuisine, and wild pandas. The world's longest bridge, spanning 55 kilometers, is a remarkable 21st century construction feat, costing China an estimated $20 billion. Sadly, over 20 builders lost their lives during its construction, and more than 400 others were injured. The bridge includes the world's longest underwater tunnel, 3 man-made islands, and stretches over the sea surface, showcasing human engineering prowess. The length of the main part of the bridge is 29.6 kilometers, including a 7-kilometer-long underwater tunnel A22, 9-kilometer-long main bridge, and 3 cable-stayed bridge sections with spans. The Kong-Zhuhai-Macau bridge reduces travel time between Hong Kong and Chai from 3 hours to 30 minutes, 2 artificial islands housing. The entrances to the tunnel are equipped with different infrastructures for drivers and vehicles. Each island is reinforced by 120 steel piles with a diameter of 22 meters and a height of 55 meters each. The Kong-Zhuhai-Macau bridge is a significant milestone in the breakthrough in Chinese engineering thinking, which posed several challenges. Difficult geological conditions, diverse processes, and strict standards meant that the engineers involved in this project had no precedents to follow. The bridge had to be designed for a lifespan of 120 years, withstand an 8-magnitude earthquake, a typhoon with a force of 16, and a 300,000-ton impact. Sika engineers helped provide the best professional high-quality solutions for numerous applications and provided comprehensive technical support for this world-class project. The underwater tunnel is located at a depth of 48 meters. It is the longest in China and the only tunnel in the world in the open sea. The tunnel was designed to withstand the high pressure of water and soil masses. Considering the unstable soft soils in the aggressive marine environment, only the most advanced designs that met all safety requirements were allowed to participate in the competition. The design life of the tunnel was set at 120 years. The bridge has a height of 5.1 meters above the water. With a maximum width of 33 meters, the width of the tunnel section is 14 meters. The total surface area of the main bridge section is over 700,000 square meters, which is approximately equivalent to the area of 98 football fields. Vehicles on the bridge travel on 2 3-lane highways in each direction with a speed limit of up to 100 kilometers per hour. The capacity of the bridge is 11 vehicles per minute, but by 2035 it should grow 4 times and will amount to 40 vehicles per minute. The construction of the main bridge required 400,000 tons of steel, which is 55 times more than the amount used for the construction of the Eiffel Tower, 7,300 tons. Another good example of China's technological progress and developed economy is the transoceanic Hangzhou Bay Bridge. This is the real industrial wonder of the world, the equivalent of which is not to be found anywhere in the world. The Hangzhou Bay Bridge in China crosses the East China Sea and the Yangtze River Delta. The length of this celestial empire attraction is 36 kilometers. Until 2011, it was the largest bridge in the world. Now it is in second place but remains the longest. Transoceanic Bridge is also located in China. It is called Qingda. It was put into operation in 2011. The Hangzhou Bay Bridge was not built to surprise the world. It was built to connect Jiang Province in Shanghai. Of course, before the opening of the Hangzhou Bay Bridge, it was possible to get from this province to one of the largest cities in the Celestial Empire, where a huge number of factories and industrial enterprises are located by a separate highway. However, this journey took the car driver 4 hours. Transportation of raw materials on huge trucks took even more time. Time is highly valued in China, which is once again proved by the Hangzhou Bay Bridge. It reduced travel time by a staggering 2 hours. The bridge, which cost the inhabitants of the Celestial Empire $420 million, can save this time and shorten the path between the developed economic province and the other side of the Yang Delta. This sum gives the clearest definition of what time means to the Chinese, if we take into account the fuel savings as well. The Hangzhou Bay Bridge in China has effectively reduced the distance between the provincial city of Enbio and Shanghai by 120 kilometers. By the way, the population of the provincial town of Enbio is more than 5.5 million people. Reducing the distance between this city and the majestic Shanghai has become vital after the beginning of market reforms in China. Write in the comments, which of the Chinese mega projects made the biggest impression on you? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. While you are here, you can click on the video you see on your screen to watch the video on China's engineering techniques that's shocking American engineers.